Right, so the Bareroot roses are just about ready to start coming out here. So this is what you'll get at the moment. Don't worry about the leaves on there. They will come off, they're just hanging on. So I mean, if you want to take them all off, it's fine. But the leaves, if there's leaves on the Bareroot roses, don't worry about it. This is what you'll get. So at the moment, we're just going to pot this up. But if you want to plant them in the garden, they can go straight in like that. Dig a hole about twice as big as that root. Put it in. If you want to trim the ends of the roots, that's fine. Try not to let it dry out while it's out of the ground. But you can plant it, put it into the ground, and then firm it in well, and then water. And then just leave it, and it will kind of come good in the spring. Once you've planted it, if you do need to water it again, check the weather. If it's gonna rain, no need to. If we get an Indian summer, you might want to have a look at it. But at the moment, we're going to pot this up into a pot, leave it over winter, and then plant it out in the spring. Right, so just check the rows over. There's a little bit of dead part there, so just prune that out, tidy it up. If you want to reduce these by half, you can do. If you don't, it doesn't really matter. But I think probably what we'll do, we'll reduce this by half. So find yourself a bud, put it at a 45-degree angle, and then just prune. And do exactly the same. Always try and choose an outward facing bud. So there's one there, so 45 degrees. And if you want to just trim the ends of the roots so it's tidy them up, I mean, what I usually do is just grab them and just chop them. If you want to go from individual roots and just trim them off, that's fine. Try not to take them too far up. Don't prune it there, leave it kind of there, and it should be fine. So you've now got your root pruned rows, and we've trimmed the shoots off to a little bit, it should tidy it up a bit. Got your pot, so I'm using a 5.5 litre deep pot. Bit of good quality compost, straight in, put a little bit in the bottom, get that in, try and get it into the middle of the pot. If you can't, don't worry too much about it, and then start filling it up. So we put it in, we try to place it in the centre, press it down a bit, press the compost down where it's been chip budded above the line of the compost. You fill it up a bit more, put it in, settle it down a bit, and there, that's lovely. Alright, so now just put that on the patio, give it a real good drink, and then if you want to plant it in the spring, you can do, but it's the same kind of principle if you want to plant it in the ground. Dig a nice big hole, trim the roots, put it into the ground, backfill it with compost. If you want to use some of the root grow that we sell as well, sprinkle that over the roots, backfill with soil, put it in, firm it in, and then give it a good water.